Here it is. You know what, Baham Hernando? Here is my reminder to you, ha. If you're watching this, Baham Hernando, with all due respect, do not trust Bongbong Marcos. Do not put your cover pics as Bongbong Marcos or Ferdinand Marcos Sr. in your Facebook cover pics. Don't you remember, Baham Hernando, that like I said before, I was told by his dad, Jose Marie Hernando, the father of Baham Hernando, says to me, that was, I said it before, your dad was told you not to post Bongbong Marcos in your cover pics in Facebook. Baham Hernando, with all due respect, Bongbong Marcos is corrupt. Even Ferdinand Marcos Sr. is the greatest robbery of the government. You know, Baham Hernando, you don't know about the flood control Ghost Project. And then you praise Bongbong Marcos? What is wrong with you, Baham Hernando? You know, Baham, we are close friends. You have to listen to me. I am your friend. Like I said before, kaibigan mo ko, Baham Hernando. You do not know what you're posting in Facebook. Baham, I say to you, when my former friend Clarence Jacob Beredo says to me, change your cover pics. Enough about Bongbong Marcos. It's okay you say pray for Philippines. Philippines fight against corruption. You post it in your cover pics. Not Bongbong Marcos. You don't know what is corruption in the Philippines, Baham Hernando. We are all Filipinos. Don't join with the Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos. Such as, for example, Paulo Cruzada, Jordan Bunagan, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, Teacher Evelyn Caja, Teacher May Tiburcio, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, Sangkay Janjan, Nino Bersaga, Romeo TV Blog, and other Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos. Do not join them. They are manipulators. They are manipulative. Like I said before, they are defiant and resilient. Like I said before, mga trolls sila. Like I said, they are trolls. Mga trolls sila. When I warn you, Baham Hernando, wag ka makisali dyan. You know, when me and J. Rick Silva, when we talk each other, mga, like I said before, yung mga Marcos loyalists, manipulador sila. Just like I said before, when I warn you, Baham Hernando, Baham, with all due respect, do not trust the Marcoses. Here's the one thing I could say. The Marcoses are the greatest robbery of government. Just like I said before, Baham, I know what you're posting on Facebook. Do not post about Bongbong Marcos in Facebook. He's corrupt. Me, I never post in Facebook about politics. You know, Baham, you have to withdraw the support of Bongbong Marcos. Wag mo i-idolize yung Bongbong Marcos na yan. That's what I say to you, Baham Hernando. With all the things that could really happen, corruption. Do you see in the Ilocos Norte, Ghost Project? What is the project of Bongbong Marcos? Ghost Project. You see, Ilocos Norte has already abandoned the project. It turns into a ghost project. You see what happened to Ilocos Norte? Full of flood. Who's the involved there in the flood control? Bongbong Marcos. If I say to you, Bomber Nando, you watch the news, when the Diskaya had said before, even Saro Diskaya and Curly Diskaya said, um, the involvement of flood control ghost project, among them are Bongbong Marcos, Martin Romualdez, Zaldico, and Arjo Atayde. They are the involved of flood control ghost project, and including another the involvement of flood control ghost project is JB Ejercito, not Jinggoy Estrada. That's the reason. I say to you, Baham Hernando, forget about Bongbong Marcos. Ang kapal ang mukha ni Bongbong Marcos na yan. That's what I said. You know, he's very corrupt. He's a weak leader. He's bangag. And he's a drug addict. If you're watching this, Mr. Jose Marie Hernando, the father of Baham, you need to lecture your son, Bam Hernando. Change his cover pics to bring Rodrigo Duterte home, not Bongbong Marcos. Diyos ko. Like I said before, he's a tax evader. He's a criminal.